everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a tablescape and it was strictly inspired by this Kate Spade plate. Alright, let's get started. Okay, in creating this tablescape, as you can see I did the first layer. I did these Z Gallery mirror chargers, which I love. Okay, for the next layer, I'm going to add these woven placemats that I got from Pier 1. Now, again, if you know, Pier 1 is also going out of business or is in the process of going out of business, but I will say you can get this pretty much anywhere. But I got it in the navy. I think it's even called indigo. Let's put this out and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the second layer, and I think that blue looks really good here. I'm liking it. For the next layer, I'm going to use these plates that I also got from Z Gallery. They're absolutely stunning. They are glass, but I did not see this on their website, but I'm gonna say you can definitely find them on Amazon. I'll look it up and see if I can find something at least similar to this so you can at least get close to this look. All right, so let's see what this layer looks like. So here's the next layer. How elegant do these look? I love this. Okay, for the next layer, I'm doing these black matte plates. Now again, these are also from Pier 1. I will say you can find these at World Market. I've seen very similar plates like this too. So here I've added the dinner plates. For the star of the video, here are my Kate Spade Birch Way salad plates. Everything just ties in so beautifully here. So this is the linen runner that I'm going to be using. Just got it from Amazon. I'm going to add these black metal candlesticks. I actually had these in my place settings last year for, did a black and red plaid Christmas place setting, so I use these. I love them. They're really slender and they're kind of sleek looking, contemporary looking, but anyway, I got these on Amazon, so I'll definitely put a link down below. For the centerpiece, I'm going to use these two beautiful spice jars that I got from a decor store local here in my area. They're really nice. I think I'm going to put flowers in one of them and then leave the other one capped off. I think they'll look great in the centerpiece. As much as I would love fresh flowers, it's also very costly to keep replacing them. So I am using faux flowers in this centerpiece. I'm going to use these faux delphiniums, and they're beautiful because they're really tall. I think they'll look very stunning in one of the vases. I'm going to use about a dozen of these in the vase, and I believe I got these at Michael's. I have had them for a while, so I use them in my stagings all the time, so stealing them from my inventory to put them in these vases. But anyway, I think they'll look really good. So this is the last piece that I'm going to put into the centerpiece arrangement. I got this at Home Goods. They just really brighten up an area. So here I've started the centerpiece. I've added the pineapple, and see how it brightens up the centerpiece? This elegant, everyday table setting is now complete. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Until next time, bye-bye.